Hello everyone. We all know that a balanced diet is crucial for our overall health and well-being. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, our bodies need the right nutrients to function at their best. Today, we're diving into the top essential nutrients your body needs to thrive. From building strong muscles to boosting your immune system, these nutrients play a vital role in keeping you healthy from the inside out. Let's start with a nutrient powerhouse: protein. You've probably heard protein is important, but why? Well, think of protein as the building blocks your body uses for pretty much everything. From building and repairing muscles after a workout to making hormones and enzymes, protein is essential. Not getting enough protein can lead to muscle weakness, fatigue, and even a weakened immune system. That's why it's crucial to make sure you're getting enough in your diet. So how much protein do you need? Well, it varies depending on your age, activity level, and overall health. But a good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Now let's talk about where to get your protein. You've got plenty of options. Lean meats like chicken and fish are excellent sources, as are beans, lentils, tofu, and even some whole grains like quinoa. And don't forget about incorporating protein into your snacks. Greek yogurt, hard-boiled eggs, and a handful of nuts are all great choices. Next up is a vitamin we're all familiar with: vitamin C. It's like the superhero of the nutrient world, known for its powerful antioxidant properties that help protect your cells from damage. But vitamin C does so much more than just boost your immune system. It's also crucial for collagen production, which keeps your skin looking youthful and radiant. And it helps your body absorb iron more effectively, which is essential for healthy red blood cells. When it comes to getting your daily dose of vitamin C, think bright and colorful. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are excellent sources, as are strawberries, kiwi, and bell peppers. One quick tip: vitamin C is water-soluble, meaning your body doesn't store it, so it's important to consume it regularly through your diet. Now let's talk about a type of fat that's actually good for you: omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are essential for heart health, brain function, and even reducing inflammation in the body. When it comes to heart health, omega-3s can help lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, a type of fat found in your blood, and decrease the risk of heart disease. For your brain, omega-3s are crucial for cognitive function, memory, and mood regulation. And because they have anti-inflammatory properties, omega-3s can help manage conditions like arthritis and even improve skin health. So where can you find these amazing fats? Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are some of the best sources. But if you're not a fan of fish, don't worry. You can also get omega-3s from plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Let's move on to a mineral that's essential for building strong bones and teeth: calcium. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in your body, and for good reason. It plays a vital role in bone health, helping to maintain bone density and prevent osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and makes them more prone to fractures. But calcium does more than just build strong bones. It's also essential for muscle function, nerve transmission, and even blood clotting. When it comes to getting enough calcium, dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent sources. But if you're lactose intolerant or follow a vegan diet, you can still get your calcium from plant-based sources like fortified plant milk, tofu, leafy green vegetables, and almonds. Last but not least, let's talk about fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest. But don't let that fool you, it's still incredibly important for your health. Fiber acts like a superhero for your digestive system, adding bulk to your stool and helping things move along smoothly. This can help prevent constipation, hemorrhoids, and other digestive issues. But fiber's benefits go beyond just digestion. It can also help regulate blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, and even aid in weight management. The best way to get enough fiber is to eat plenty of plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Think of fiber as your body's natural cleaning crew, keeping things running smoothly from the inside out. So there you have it. A closer look at some of the essential nutrients your body needs to thrive. From protein for building and repairing tissues to vitamin C for boosting immunity, omega-3 fatty acids for heart and brain health, calcium for strong bones, and fiber for a healthy gut, each of these nutrients plays a crucial role in your overall well-being. Remember, a balanced diet is key. By incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods into your meals and snacks, you'll be giving your body the tools it needs to function at its best. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.